Hi, welcome to Catia V5 video tutorial. I want to do that monitor case sheet metal exercise now in Catia. And I used in Catia a punch as well. So let's have fun with Catia V5. First I want to model my monitor case as solid because I will need it to create my punch. So let's go for a sketch on the YZ plane. Hide these. I need a rectangle and I don't need those parallel constraints, so I will delete them. Now let's add some dimensions. This should be 300. That distance should be 260. Those two should be symmetric to the z-axis and these should be coincident. Leave that sketch. Let's make an extrude or a pad which is 60 in that direction. I will need a similar sketch, so I will copy it, copy, paste. Let's edit this one. So this dimension should be 230. That dimension should be 170. And I need to remove that constraint and align this with that's 65. Leave that sketch. Now let's make a pocket. Reverse direction. 60 millimeters is okay, but I want to start with an offset of minus 45 millimeter. Now I need a chamfer. 50 millimeter long and the angle should be 30 degrees. Let's select those, not the face, but edge, 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 and edge. Preview, looks good, confirm. In order to do my punch, I will need two more bodies. So let's insert body, and I want to exchange that body with this body. So let's go to body 4 object and change part body and confirm. So now the part body is empty and this will be the solid case and this will become my punch. I want to reuse that sketch, so go for a sketch, make another pad and make it not 60 but let's say 100. Now I want to remove this body from that one, so go for remove this body from the punch body and confirm, and I got a nice little stamp. Now I have to switch to the sheet metal. Let's activate that part body, switch to generative sheet metal design, and I can reuse that sketch once more, or I could just copy it. So copy it, copy and paste it to the part body. Now I can do a wall, but before I have to at least confirm my sheet metal parameters. That's 2 mm thickness and 2 mm default bend radius. Confirm. I start with the base here. Why? Because I want to do the punch on a flange. So let's go for my base wall right here, and material should be maybe to the side. And okay, now let's add some flanges. So I need a flange on that side here. Okay, go for a flange, select it here, and let's take a look from where it's measured. If I go for the outside length, I would have to go for 58, so I will use this one. That should be 58. And then another flange. Come on, this edge. And seems I have to change this one by 2 mm. So this could be again outside length up to there should be 260. And let's edit this one, go for 56. Yeah, that's it. Now maybe another flange here on that edge. Or 60. Okay, and then I need a flange here or here, so I would go for the front side, go for a flange on this edge. 58, that's okay, and another one on the other side. This one, and confirm. So let's do our punch. The punch would be here, cutting and stamping, and the last one on the right side, user stamp. I want to use a punch. I need to select the face I want to punch, this one. Select the body of the punch, that's this one. And you could do it with fillets or without fillets. And it's not positioned on the right spot, so I will go for position on context. Now it's in the right spot, and let's confirm. So here are those fillets. You could do it without those fillets. Then I need a cut out. So let's do it very quick and dirty. I use my sketch on that face right here, and I want to project that face. So I got a rectangle with the right dimensions. Let's leave that sketch and let's go for a cutout. Cutout with that sketch right here. So that sketch is lying on the skin, and 2 mm should do. Let's make a preview. That's the wrong way, so reverse the side. That should work, and confirm. I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.